Hi everyone, Tiffany here, and I am here to tell you about the new Pikmi Pops Cheeki Puffs. These are really adorable new variations of the very popular Pikmi Pop surprise. There's actually over 40 different characters to collect, and they're available right now in stores. They come in 3 different sizes. There's a single, a surprise, and a large. There's 8 different floral scents to discover. This is so fun. What a fun surprise that Moose sent us. Thank you so much to Moose for surprising us with this new Pikmi Pops surprise Cheeki Puffs. I just love the container. Something really different and perfect for like pretend play. It's a really fun little container. So what looks like an old style perfume bottle, it's almost like a heart shape with a tiara on the top, and it says Bamboo Few by CP. Let's get the other one open. Look inside over here. It has like some silver confetti. That is so fun. Does this have like plastic on it? No. We have like a little rhinestone here. It says Cheap by CP, Cheeki Puffs. Then we have a nice silver crown on top. Even the container itself is pretty sparkly. Has some nice like facets over here. I just love this container so much. Let's open up this single pack first. We have a checklist and we have our Cheeki Puffs. Let's check this out first. The collector's guide. Over 40 to collect. Here are the scents. There's magnolia, blueberry, peony, wild berry, passion fruit, gardenia, honeysuckle, and strawberry. You could also download the Pikmi Pops app, scan the code, and you get special rewards. These are from the single packs. There are common and rare, ultra rare, and from the surprise packs, there's also common, rare, and ultra rare. The surprise packs also come with a super set. You can get a fancy foil one. The large packs or just larger Pikmi Puffs. Oh my gosh, look at Baba the moose. I've never seen a moose. And these are all of the glitter bottles that you can collect. They have glitter perfume bottles, confetti glitter perfume bottles, and liquid glitter perfume bottles. It's so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, I hope we get the moose. Oh my goodness, we got a little panda. And her eyes are closed. She has shimmery bow. They're really small. They're about the size of like an original Pikmi Pop, except they don't have like a little tag. I love the little moose tag, and you definitely feel like there's something inside. Let's see the shimmer puff out. This is Pootsie the Panda, number 516, and her scent is blueberry. She smells really good. Oh my goodness, see the sparkle? I can't believe there's like shimmer inside here. That is so cool. All you gotta do is pat your skin and you'll see some shimmer come out, and little sparkles just add a little touch of. This is so fun. So cool. It smells so good too. And they fit right inside the little container. So you could always keep the scent alive. Let's open up this one, the surprise pack with the confetti inside. How fun is this? Whoa. So we have, for the surprise pack, we have our scented shimmer puff, and we also have 2 surprises. Let's open up our Cheeki Puffs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think we got the foil one because look at the bow. Oh my goodness. Let's look at this collector's guide. Let's see if it's any different. Oh my goodness. Yes, we got the fancy foils. This is Windin the Canary. I cannot believe we got the foil one. She looks like a little chick. She has golden shimmer glittery bow. She has a little heart on her nose. Look at the little tinsel. It's little gold tinsel coming out. Oh my goodness, so cute. Windin the Canary smells so good. She actually has a peony scent. Let's see the shimmer come out of this little Cheeki Puff. Let's see what other surprises we have. Oh, we have fun stickers featuring Windin. Oh my goodness, and we have our own little crystal figure on a little tag, just like the original Pikmi Pops. So cute. Look at all of the shimmery sparkles. And I smell like peonies. Let's get the other wrist. Get my watch off so you can see. That is amazing. What a fun idea. Now, once you're done Cheeki Pufferizing yourself and giving yourself some nice scented shimmer, you could put your Cheeki Puffs back inside their little container. So there's really no, really not a lot of waste. You can keep your sticker or you can stick it on anything you want. I'm gonna keep it inside. Put the lid back on and that will keep the scent nice and fresh. These are every one that you can collect, with over 40 to collect and all of these fun containers to collect. I think Cheeki Puffs are a great gift, perfect stocking stuffer, like absolutely perfect stocking stuffer, and great addition to anyone's adorable Pikmi Pop surprise collection. I want to thank Moose Toys for giving us a first look. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching an IGTV, please don't forget to give our video a heart, follow us at Tubi Toys, and tag 2 of your besties that you think would like the new Cheeki Puffs by Moose. If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. Thank you so much to Moose for sending us new Cheeki Puffs. I think they are a great addition to anyone's collection and perfect for holiday stocking stuffers. Thank you so much for watching and have a Cheeki Puff-tastic day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah!